Comment on the fact that we were colonized also. So yung mga Spanish architecture and during that time. So we wanted to just a little throwback to that, saying that it's not ours, it's not necessarily something intrinsic, and so that was just a little comment to using that old Manila look. And yun, lahat yun, sayang, Leroy New, my production designer, also sat down. We argued and cried over the overall design. So yun, even down to the whole look of it, the whole production design of it, why they all look like farmers or fishermen. Yun, everything was really bad. Oh, yes, more. Ladies first. Okay.
Okay, aside from the Orwellian references that you mentioned, what were your other inspirations for doing this film?
Sorry,
how long did it brew in your head before it became the script?
Great question. It brewed in my head for I think a year and a half. And in fact, when I was a little iffy if I was going to present it as my thesis. But being a thesis, it gave me enough pressure for me to do it. Because if I dreamed too big about it and put it on a shelf saying next time na lang yan, I might not do it at all. So in fact, the journey of that was also interesting. Someone asked me later. But yeah, it grew in my head for around a year and a half. Apart from Orwellian, I had a hefty amount of biblical references and classical references like Plato's allegory of the cave in Plato's Republic. Anyone familiar? Where everyone was bound by chain to face a cave, and they thought that the shadows was reality, so they assumed certain names for it, and people grew up thinking that that was reality. The question that Plato posed was if someone broke away from the binding and discovered that there was a light behind them, and discovered there's a real world outside of that cave, what is his duty? And his duty is supposed to go back and tell the people who are bound, say there's a world outside. But sometimes that person who tells them the truth is mocked at, is even persecuted and killed sometimes. So it's that constant struggle to stand by the truth despite everyone's disbelief or everyone's disagreement.